Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I got a super special review for you guys. We're gonna be taking a look at one of the most anticipated Air Maxes that is dropping in 2020. And of course, these are going to be the infrared Air Max 90s. Now, some people are deeming these as the Radiant Red, I think, Radiant Red Air Max 90s, and I'm not feeling that name, to be honest, bro. So we're gonna take that Radiant and we're just gonna throw it in the trash because we're not gonna disrespect the Air Max 90s, especially such an iconic colorway, by calling it Radiant Red. When you think of Air Max 90, what is the first colorway that comes to mind? I'm gonna wait. Infrared Air Max 90s 2020. Let's take a look at these babies right here. Ooh, oh my God, these things are fire, man. So whenever I get an Air Max 90, I recommend going true to size. This does not feel like an Ultra Boost. It's not going to squeeze your feet. This is more of a casual wear sneaker. Look how beautiful this thing is. If you guys didn't know, the Air Max 90 is one of my most favorite models to wear, and of course the infrared colorway is my hands down favorite colorway to ever exist for this model. Seeing the sneaker right here brings me back to high school when I used to rock my 2010 pair. At the time I didn't have a job, so I was mowing lawns to pay for my sneakers, and I knew I had to get these right here. So after a few lawnmower cuts, I saved enough money for a 2010 pair of Air Max infrareds, and I was super stoked to wear them at school. Of course, we have our infrared hits on this sneaker. That's what basically makes this sneaker. We have it on the midsole right here, as well as the sides, also on the heel of the shoe. But something about this colorway just pops, and it just brings that attention to your feet. I really love the way that Nike uses different materials on sneakers, and this has to be a prime example of that. So on the toe box, we have a mesh material which gives our feet that breathability. We also have a nice nubuck running around this gray area over here, and even on this swoosh, it's a different colored nubuck to break up the panels. And I believe this is a synthetic leather or something like that, but it's a nice contrast, just breaking up everything that's going on this sneaker. Now, if you guys are wondering how I got this early pair right here, I bought it off of GOAT. No, this is not sponsored. So many sneakers come out during the year, but I knew that I had to get these. This is just one of those that I was like, man, I need this pair. I didn't really care what I paid for them, but at the moment when I bought them, they were like $165, and of course I had to pay some fees and some shipping. So after all of the fees, I believe I paid about like $180 or $185 if I remember correctly. I believe the retail price on these is gonna be around $120. I'm looking at another box that I have that has the retail price tag on it, and it says $120, so I'm assuming that these are probably $120 or in that area. And usually I'm really iffy about paying resale prices, but I really don't mind with these because I know I'm gonna wear the heck out of these. If you guys are wondering what the box looks like, here goes the box. It has Nike Air on the top, nice reddish color on it, a lot more slim than what I'm used to. Got the GOAT sticker on there, and I don't have a price tag like I said, but here's the size label. Like I said, go true to size. If you guys haven't had an Air Max before, trust me, true to size. Based on looks, I give these things a 10 out of 10. Not only do they look good, but they're also extremely comfortable. The thing is though, is that you gotta break them in. You gotta wear these things. This is not one of those sneakers where, you know, you just wear it once, you put it away for 3 months, and you bring it back out. This is one of those sneakers that you have to wear. Walk in them, run some errands, get the mail, do what you gotta do. This is a sneaker that you wear when you're on the move, you wanna look fly, and you could be wearing shorts, you could be wearing joggers, tech fleece, sweatpants, jeans. This sneaker is versatile. I'm not gonna get too off topic, but I didn't get a chance to show you guys this sneaker right here, and this is one that I purchased a couple months back just because it reminded me of the infrared colorway so much. So of course we have the orange colorway of the Air Max 90 right here, very similar to the infrareds, and lately orange has been my color, so I thought that this would be a nice little addition to the collection. At the time that I bought these, I didn't know when the infrareds were going to be releasing, so I was like, these are perfect for now. But man, look at these things. Beautiful sneakers right here. Obviously they do have different colors, but the uppers feel pretty much the same in my opinion. I mean, take a look at it. They look exactly the same. I can't feel any quality difference. So if you guys go into like your Champ Sports, your Finish Lines, your Foot Lockers, and you see these kind of Air Maxes, they got blue ones, they got purple ones, neon green. There's a lot of the 90s out right now at the mall. So if you guys have some time, you want to feel the quality, just go and reference those because these feel pretty much identical, and I think that'll give you guys a good feel about how the infrareds are feeling for 2020. The infrared colorway released so many times, and I can't even remember how many retros there have been, but my favorite colorway to have ever dropped has to be the 2013s because they came with this old vintage look on it, like the OG Air Maxes, and I love the way that the midsole was already yellowed. It has that like creamy eggshell look. If you guys don't understand how much I love these sneakers. Look how much I freaking wear these things, and they still look good in my opinion. This is just one of those shoes that looks good when you wear it. It looks good when it's clean. I mean, look at that, man. Crazy. I'm gonna give it to Nike. This is going to make it into the top 5 sneaker releases of 2020 for sure. If you guys are planning on getting a pair, I would not sleep on these. I feel like this sneaker is going to be widely produced, but at the same time, this is such an iconic colorway, and something like this is enjoyable to somebody that isn't even a sneakerhead. So there are going to be a lot of eyes on this sneaker right here, which is why I wouldn't sleep on them. The reason I feel like these are going to be massively produced is the fact that I was still able to get these for a very good deal before release, and if it was anything crazy, these would be going for like $300-400 bucks. But it's good to see that these are going for around 160 to like 200-ish so far. I'm pretty sure the price is gonna drop. So if you guys really like this colorway and you have bad luck like me, I would just recommend getting it off of GOAT or something like that, just so you can secure your pair. And when the release date comes on November 9th, 2020, of course we could try it again and snag a double up, because this is just one of those sneakers you gotta double up on. The crazy thing is that this sneaker right here pulled so many more compliments than sneakers that I was saving months and months for. Like sneakers I was buying for $300-400 bucks would be so low-key that any normal person that wasn't a sneakerhead wouldn't even know what that shoe is, and honestly it would just fly under the radar. But something like this that was like $120 back in the day would pull so many compliments. Everybody would ask what these were. They would tell me that they love my shoes, and that's what I love about the game, man. The reality of the matter is you don't have to spend $5,000 for a pair of shoes for somebody to tell you your sneakers are dope. These are dope right here, and they're gonna be under $200. You can't go wrong with that, son. And before we go, I just want to express my love for the infrareds even more. I found these when I was at like a sneaker con or something. We went to the mall and these were sitting there. They had it on sale. I don't even know if that's considered on sale, to be honest, but 50 bucks for these. They were the last ones. Nobody wanted them, and I was like, bro, why are these freaking sitting here? These things are so sick. Future sneakerhead in the Bay will be wearing these. This is the 2014 release. Woo! No babies anytime soon though, but yes, infrared 90s people, don't sleep on them. If you guys want any more information, follow me on Instagram at sneakerhead in the Bay. I'll try to throw up some early links for you guys, and let me know what you guys think about them. Are you going for them? Comment down below. And you guys did pretty good on that burrito comment in the last video, so let's come up with something different for this one. Oh, I got one for you guys. In-N-Out, Shake Shack, or Whataburger? Comment down below and let me know what you guys order from there. Anyways, y'all, that's going to conclude this video right here. I'll see you very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. I'm out. Peace. Shoo.